If you want to create a spotlight effect in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the spotlight effect, place it on your timeline, and adjust it so it looks clean, professional, and perfectly matched to your video. This is a great effect if you want to highlight a person, add drama to a scene, or make one part of your clip stand out more. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut PC and make sure your project is already loaded, or import the video you want to edit. Once you're in the editing workspace, look at the top menu and click on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its video effects, including lighting effects, transitions, and stylized overlays. Since we're creating a spotlight look, we need to search for the exact effect instead of scrolling through everything manually. Now, in the search bar, type in Spotlight. As you type, CapCut will narrow down the available effects and show you the spotlight options. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see Spotlight Flick or a standard spotlight effect. Either one can work, but the key is choosing the one that fits the style you want. If you want something a little more dynamic and animated, Spotlight Flick is a great option. If you want something cleaner and more subtle, the standard spotlight effect may be the better choice. Once you've found the effect, drag it directly onto the timeline. Make sure you place it on the correct track so it overlays the part of the video you want to enhance. After that, adjust the length of the effect so it matches the section of your video where you want the spotlight to appear. You can drag the edges of the effect on the timeline to make it shorter or longer. This is important because if the effect is too short, it may cut off too early, and if it's too long, it may continue past the part you actually want to highlight. After the effect is on the timeline, click on it to select it. When you do that, you should see the settings panel on the right-hand side. This is where you can customize the effect to better fit your video. Look for the glow intensity option, because this is what controls how strong or soft the spotlight appears. If the glow is too bright, it can overpower the footage. If it's too weak, the effect may barely show up. So slowly adjust the glow intensity until it looks just right. As you adjust it, watch your preview window closely. Try to match the spotlight strength to the mood of the video. For a dramatic scene, a stronger glow can look really good. For a softer, more natural look, reduce the intensity a little so it blends in better. You can also scrub through the timeline to see how the effect looks at different moments in your clip. That way, you can make sure it stays consistent and doesn't look out of place. If needed, you can also fine-tune the position and timing of the effect so it highlights the exact part of the video you want viewers to notice. A well-placed spotlight can instantly make your edit feel more polished and professional. It's a simple effect, but when used correctly, it can make a huge difference in the final look of your content. And that's it. You've now created a spotlight effect on CapCut PC. As you can see, it only takes a few simple steps. Go to the Effects tab, search for Spotlight, drag the effect onto your timeline, adjust the duration, and fine-tune the glow intensity in the right panel. Once you get comfortable with it, you can use this effect in all kinds of edits to make your videos look more cinematic and engaging. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut PC tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.